Divine Collective, we're starting out with healthy collaborations, healthy celebrations, genuine love. There's someone really fascinating here, Divine Collective, that is headed towards you. Okay? I'm getting an expandable spiritual base being of significance, okay? This is someone that is going to add to what it is that you already have, Divine Collective. That's absolutely what I'm picking up on. This person is going to help you to expand your spiritual base. Again, healthy collaborations and healthy celebrations. You're going to find whoever this is very fascinating, Divine Collective, okay? But first, let's get to the bottom of this. Someone here intended harm, I'm getting. They intended harm. Spirit says it's time for them to let go and move forward now. Whoever this person is, Divine Collective, that is holding on to your energy, they have to let go now. Okay, they're being forced. They're being forced. And yes, we do have free will to do whatever it is that we want to do. But like I told you guys, and I've seen it many, many times, Divine Collective, your spirit team, your ancestors will absolutely light a fire up underneath you if they need you to move a specific way, okay? But if they have to force you, it's going to be very uncomfortable. Very, very uncomfortable than if you decide to do it on your own, okay? Someone here is going to be very uncomfortable because they have to leave you alone. They have to let go. You have someone here coming in, Divine Collective. There's no room for this person to hold on to your energy any longer. Realignment, okay? So any type of relationships that were built on avoidance, imbalance, Divine Collective, these type of relationships are going to start to feel very, very uncomfortable. Okay, why? Because they were built on avoidance, they were built on imbalance, and now they're all crumbling. Okay, anything that was not built on a firm foundation crumbles, Divine Collective, okay? Also, Divine Collective, we have a controlling parental figure here. Spirit is speaking about. What's this about, Spirit? This controlling parental figure? Oh, demonic possession. There's a controlling parental figure here under demonic possession. Wow. Yeah, this is someone, I always get this, someone that you could have been married to, Divine Collective. They're under demonic possession. Wow. 555 is here. 555. It's this demon. This demonic possession that will not allow this person to let go of your energy, Divine Collective. It's the demon. Wow. Even if this person wanted to let go of your energy, and I don't know if this makes much sense, but I feel like this demon is not allowing it, Divine Collective. Spirit says they believed if they aligned against you, they could siphon what was meant for you for themselves, Divine Collective. Wow. This is a Freemasonry I'm getting, the Shriner, a Master Mason. There's a Master Mason here that is under demonic possession. The Beast System. I'm getting the Beast System. Healing creates confidence. There's a third party here that's in trouble. They've been caught doing rituals, Divine Collective. This third party has been caught doing rituals. Spirit says you and this person may have known each other across lifetimes, but history alone does not equal alignment, Divine Collective. Whoever this is, they haven't done any work. They're intimidated by your growth, and that's why this demon is able to possess this vessel, Divine Collective. I haven't picked up on any like vices yet, but more than likely this person has some vices as well, okay? I haven't gotten that far yet. But because whoever this is refuses to heal, go within and do some work on themselves, this demon has possessed them. Gratitude will shift you into a higher frequency. You will start to attract better things, Divine Collective. What's wild about this person's energy is that they're so quick to judge others, Divine Collective. This is a very judgmental energy. That makes no sense to me. Under full demonic possession, but so quick to judge others. This person here that you're finding quite fascinating, Divine Collective, they love every little thing about you. This is what I'm picking up on. This is someone who gives rather than takes, okay? Spirit is telling me that you've called this person in because of your energy. You've called them in, Divine Collective. You have a father figure here stuck in their head. A controlling parental figure who is under demonic possession stuck in their head. Spirit says evil never wins. They're attacking a psychic medium. You're a psychic medium, Divine Collective? This is just blowing my mind. Okay? Something about this storyline. You've released all karmic relationships. Someone here is getting a lot of readings done, Divine Collective. They're getting a lot of readings on you. The High Priestess, on the High Priestess. Trying to cause some type of complication at work here for you, Divine Collective. There's an Aries that I'm picking up on. Spirit says the enemies are hiding now. People can pretend, but actions will always reveal the truth, okay? That your enemies are hiding now. Your sister is of significance. Again, Divine Collective, people can pretend, but actions will always reveal the truth. Your sister is of significance. Divine Collective, Spirit says that you're waiting on a version of someone that doesn't currently exist, okay? That was a hard one for me. There was a couple people that I held on to for quite a while, Divine Collective, before I realized that I had only put myself in a loop or I was stuck, okay? Because I was just like, I can do this. I mean, I'm good at waking people up. If I can wake up people that's never met me, I can wake up somebody that's been in my energy. That's not the case, Divine Collective. That's not how it works, okay? You have to release full control of the outcome. Okay, give it to God. Again, you're waiting on a version of them that doesn't currently exist. And you'll find yourself stuck if you do that. Your light cannot be destroyed, Divine Collective. Accept sincere accountability when it is demonstrated through consistent actions, not just words. You know what this is telling me? That you're going to have people here apologizing. But what Spirit needs you to do, Divine Collective, is to pay attention to their actions, not so much their words, right? Let them demonstrate through consistent actions that they are genuinely sorry and that they're taking accountability. That's what I'm getting in this reading. So if you have someone here apologizing to you, it's less about the words and more about the consistent actions that they show you after that apology or after them taking accountability. You are the main lady. You are the main male. Sudden wealth is here. You have gifts that align with your soul's growth, Divine Collective, and you are ready for the next level. Peace, love, and light.